Hyundai Motor has opened its first overseas subsidiary dedicated to manufacturing hydrogen fuel cells in Guangzhou, China. What's behind the decision to invest heavily in this particular field in China?
현대자동차 H2 광주 거미전을 맡고 있는 최도하.
The Hyundai Motor Group's decision to invest heavily in China's hydrogen fuel cell industry is based on three strategic considerations. First, we firmly believe that China is the world's largest and most promising hydrogen market. In 2019, we formed a team to study building a fuel cell plant here. H2 Guangzhou was officially established on January the 15th, 2021. Why China? Because it has enormous demand across cold chain logistics, long-haul transport, public transit and special purpose vehicles, offering the world's most diverse application scenarios for hydrogen. At the same time, the Chinese government has shown strong commitment to making hydrogen a key part of the national energy system. The energy law provides institutional support, and this clear policy direction, combined with vast market demand, gives us long-term confidence. Second, we have great confidence in the industrial ecosystem of the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area. As a core city in China's first batch of fuel cell vehicle demonstration clusters, Guangzhou has a strong automotive foundation and a fast-growing hydrogen supply chain. Its efficient business environment has enabled us to quickly build a full life-cycle system, from R&D and production to sales and application, in close partnership with local leaders. Third, this investment aligns with our core group strategy, in China, for China, to global. Last July, we opened Hyundai's first overseas hydrogen fuel cell R&D centre, right here at H2 Guangzhou. This reflects our intent to combine our world-leading fuel cell technology with China's industrial base and market scale to advance hydrogen commercialisation together. Through our work here, we aim to contribute meaningfully to the global energy transition.
How do you view the hydrogen supply chain cooperation between China and the Republic of Korea, and what is its potential in the near future?
한국과 중국 양국 협력 분야는 이미
I believe the cooperation between China and the Republic of Korea in the hydrogen energy sector has already moved beyond individual projects and is entering a stage of strategic synergy based on complementary strengths. As a promoter and practitioner of this collaboration, Hyundai Motor Group has signed a trilateral memorandum of understanding with the Republic of Korea's Ulsan and China's Guangzhou. The cooperation spans multiple areas, including technology R&D, demonstration projects, standards development, and talent training. This mechanism provides crucial support for building a stable and efficient hydrogen energy supply chain. Looking ahead, I expect the potential for China-ROK cooperation in the hydrogen sector will be reflected in three key directions. First, evolving from complementary strengths to joint standard setting. The two sides can work together on key areas such as hydrogen refueling station construction and hydrogen quality standards, reducing collaboration costs while enhancing their collective influence in the global hydrogen industry. Second, advancing from interconnection to infrastructure coordination, exploring cooperation in hydrogen storage, transportation and other energy infrastructure fields. In the long term, this may support the development of cross-regional hydrogen networks. Third, expanding from bilateral cooperation to global collaboration by integrating China's manufacturing and engineering capabilities with ROK's technological and system advantages. The two countries can jointly explore overseas markets, providing practical solutions for global green energy transitions.